Hello, in this video I will show you some of the best features on OnePlus Nord 5. So first thing I'm gonna show you is this plus key. You can bind it whatever you like. So go to the settings, now go to plus key, and from this section you can bind it like you want. So you can set it for the opening the camera or flashlight, for example. There is some of the things that you can do with this plus key. So I have flashlight enabled right now, and I have to hold on it, and as you can see I am able to turn on and turn off the flashlight by using this. Also in the settings you can find in the accessibility and convenience, you are able to find OTG connection, which allows you to connect your OnePlus Nord 5 with USB devices. There is also something in the connection and sharing. You can find NFC, which allows you to pay by using your phone, which is also very cool. You can set the NFC up. I have here a Google Wallet, but you can adjust it like you want. Also in this section you can find the screencast, which allows you to connect your OnePlus Nord 5 with display devices like TV or monitors, and just simply screencasting your screen from your OnePlus Nord 5. Also you can go to security and privacy, and here you are able to set the fingerprint or face unlock. Also I will show you something in the gallery. Open the photos and open some photo, and you can edit it by using this pencil icon over here, and go to AI editor, and this allows you to use some of the AI features to adjust your pictures and make it better, like for example AI detail boost or AI eraser. In the settings also you can go to battery mode, and here you can enable high performance mode, which allows you to maximize your system performance but also increases power usage and may cause your device to heat up. But this is good for if you are playing some video games. This can help you with to get some of the more performance. In the display and brightness section you can find screen refresh rate, and if you are setting it for the high, this allows you to get 144 Hz refresh rate, and this is very cool because everything looks smoother and faster. Also, if you are holding home button just like that, you are able to get the circle to search. So you can draw whatever you want in circle like that, and now as you can see it's searching in the internet by using this picture. So as you can see I have these settings searching for, so this is also very cool. So basically that was the best features on OnePlus Nord 5. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.